Hey YouTube, as you can see, I've taken the gas tank off right here and everything, and I didn't really need to go through the sequence of how to take it off. Most of you guys already know how, because you've seen it many times off of the YouTubers, and those that don't, it's not hard to go look it up, just type it up. And main point, I've taken it off. Now I'm going to show you the gas tank and what it looks like here. Pretty much just a single plate, and with a bolt that goes down, rubber piece and washer, rubber tilt fit. This usually goes mounting on the gas tank. Forgive me, this is a real pain in the butt to slide on, but you get the basic idea. You just kind of push that on there. It might be a little hard to see with it being black, but push that on there, and pretty much from there, it's basic idea. You're supposed to, according to the directions, drill this through the main centerpiece of the bike if your mount is too fat. But since I don't have a centerpiece on my bike that's doesn't have this, it's a two-way split. I'll show you what I have in mind a little bit later on down the road. Anyways, take care, and as we progress, I'll start mounting this together and tighten these and show you what I have in mind right here. Take care.